Hello friends, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get our latest videos. In this video, we will give you the information about the latest smartwatch launched by Xiaomi. This is the first Android watch by Xiaomi. This is ideal for both male and female. Xiaomi has launched this watch by four strap colors, that's silver, black, grey, blue, etc. This watch is compatible for Android and iOS also. The strap material that we can get in this is rubber. It has AMOLED display and 44 of display size. We can get square shaped display. The display has aluminum alloy frame with matte finish. The edges are curved for comfortable wearing. It's waterproof watch as well as windproof. We can get 1.78 inches of AMOLED display and ratio of 368 into 448 pixels. It is supported by Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, dual SIM cellular connectivity. The smartwatch also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC support, and 570 mAh battery. We can get 36 hours of battery backup on full charge. This MI watch becomes with 6 sensors: heart rate sensor, GPS support, compass, and barometer. It has also 1 GB RAM and 8 GB ROM. Xiaomi has used this software of MIUI operating system. It includes components from Google's MIUI for watch includes support for downloadable apps, App Store, and S Watch Face Market, dark mode, and support for custom watch faces. It includes its own voice assistant to control the smart home devices. In terms of fitness and health tracking features, it comes with sleep tracking, body energy tracking, and 10 professional sports modes. It looks like very similar to Apple Watch. The smartwatch also features a ceramic black cover curved Gorilla Glass 3